Well, in his first official visit to Rhode Island, the country's top prosecutor, Attorney General Merrick Garland, met with local law enforcement from the region. Target 12 investigator Tim White was at the U.S. Attorney's office in Providence for the visit and joins us with the details. Tim.
Reporters were only allowed to sit in on the beginning of the meeting and U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland's opening remarks, and were then escorted out of the room before we could ask any questions. Inside the Rhode Island U.S. Attorney's office in Providence Wednesday morning, Attorney General Merrick Garland convened a meeting of local, state, and federal law enforcement.
To have the honor of welcoming the 86th Attorney General of the
Flanked by
United
Rhode
States,
Island U.S. Attorney
Garland.
Zachary Cunha and the special agent in charge of the Boston office of the FBI, Jody Cohen, Garland touted the most recent FBI crime stats in his opening remarks.
Show an historic drop in homicides last year and one of the lowest levels of violent crime in 50 years.
Garland highlighted several local criminal cases, including 2 men accused of planning a contract killing of federal prosecutors.
No prosecutor should ever fear violence for doing his or her job.
He did more listening than talking, which is a good thing.
Among the attendees, Cranston Police Colonel Michael Winquist and Central Falls Chief Anthony Roberson both say partnerships with federal agencies have made a difference in their communities.
Crimes involving firearms been the lowest in over 2 decades.
But we know that progress in many communities is still uneven, and of course there is no level of violent crime that is acceptable.
Garland also took the time to talk about the DOJ's efforts to protect voting rights ahead of the November elections, including a lawsuit the federal government brought against Pawtucket, accusing the city of not providing enough support for Spanish-speaking voters. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.